Namaste Vidya, myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Drapragun, Faculty of Ayurveda, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Kutach. Kutach is a very important drug in Ayurveda. Its botanical name is Holarina antidysentery. As we know from this name, Holarina antidysentery, it is useful in dysentery and diarrhea. Family name is Apocynaceae. Kutachkul. Charak mentions in Ashokn Mahakashai, Kandukn Mahakashai, Stanni Shodhan Mahakashai, Astapnokut Mahakashai, and Vamnokut Mahakashai. Shushruत mentions in Aragvadadigan, Pippelyadigan, Bhastyadigan, and Udrubhaga. हिंदी में इसको कूड़ा या कुरैया अपने नामों से जानते हैं. कुटच कुटच growing wild in hilly regions, so it is called कुटच. कुटच फूड भी होते हैं. वत्सक hilly region of Vats. And Giri Mallika, the flowers are like jasmine and the plant grows of hilly regions. Kaling grows in hilly regions of Kaling, Orissa and South Bihar. Shakra Shaki with gregarious branches, so it is called Shakra Shaki. Mallika Pushp, the flowers resemble jasmine. The flowers resembles jasmine, so it is called Mallika Pushp. Indra, all the synonyms of Indra. जब फल फ्रूट्स आर हैविंग द शेप ऑफ पार्शियल सीड्स, मतलब जो होता है उसके जैसे इसके बीज होते हैं, इनको इंद्र यव बोलते हैं. थोड़े से जो में बड़े होते हैं इसलिए इनको यव फल बोलते हैं या इंद्र यव भी बोलते हैं. पांडुद्रुम, द बार्क इज वाइटिश इन कलर और पेल. वृक्ष या वृक्षक स्मॉल ट्री. प्राशने, फ्लावर्स इन अर्ली रेनी सीजन. Flowering in early rainy season, so it is prashne. Mahagandh, the order of the flower is fragrant. ठीक है, महागंध. शक्र, द पोटेंट ड्रग, सो इट इज कॉल्ड शक्र. संग्राही, यूजफुल इन अतिसार एंड रक्त अतिसार, सो इट इज कॉल्ड संग्राही. इंद्र वृक्ष, a small tree growing in Kaling Desh, so it is called Indra Vraksh. Vartik, a powerful Piktras drug, so it is called Vartik. Main features, a small tree growing in hilly areas of Kaling and Vats. The bark is pale or whitish in color. The flowering season is early rainy season and flowers are white in color with fragrance. Fruits having barley-shaped seeds, a strongly bitter drug and a potent antidiarrheal and antidysentery drug. Bhed varieties, according to Charak, two varieties have been mentioned: Spri Kutas and Punkutas. दो तरह की वैरायटी है, Spri Kutas और Punkutas. Habit उत्पत्ति स्थान throughout India ascending up to 4,000 feet, mainly at the hill regions. Habitat स्वरूप, a shrub or small tree, glabrous pubescent bark, pale leaves, 10 to 25, 5 to 11.5 centimeter, from broadly ovate or elliptical, obtuse or obtusely acuminate, glabrous or more or less pubescent, base usually obtuse, main nerve 10 to 14 pairs, conspicuous petioles 3 mm long, sometimes 0. Flowers white, inodorous, in terminal corymbos, size 7.5 to 15 centimeter diameter, pedicels slender, bracket small, lanceolate, pubescent and ciliated. Calyx lobe 2.5 to 3 mm long, oblong, lanceolate, slightly inflated near the base over the stamens, mouth not closed with a ring of hairs, throat hairy inside, lobes about equaling the tube, oblong, rounded at the apex, more or less pubescent, follicles 20 to 38 centimeter long, 6 to 8 millimeter diameter, cylindric, often dotted with white spots, seed 8 mm longer, rather more or linear oblong, tipped with the spreading deciduous coma or brown hair, 2.2 to 5 centimeter long. उपयुक्त अंग part used त्वक, बीज and इंद्रिय. That is part used त्वक, बीज and इंद्रिय. The properties of कुटच: तिक्त कषाय, वीर्य शीत, गुण लघु और रुक्ष, विपाक कटु, दोष कर्मता कफ पित्त शामक होता है, रोगग्न कर्मता फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शंस, अग्निदीपक, अतिसार, अतिसारग्न मतलब अतिसार को दूर करने वाली प्रमुख मेडिसिन है ये आयुर्वेद की. रक्तातिसार, तृष्णा निग्रहण, कुष्ठग्न, पाचन, धातु शोषण, ज्वरग्न एंड व्रणरोपण. आमिक प्रयोग देखें तो थेरापेटिक यूजेस, इट इज यूजफुल इन अतिसार. इट इज गिवन विद सुगंध, Sangrahi and other Atisar has dravya in the form of kashay or churan for better effect. This can be administered in children and pregnant women safely. This can be administered in at any stage of Atisar, especially in Rakta Atisar and Ajiran. Amatisar, chronic amoebic dysentery. In Pitta Atisar, Indriyav and Kutatwak is pounded with the honey and Ativisha and taken with rice water. In Ajir Atisar, Kutaj mixed with Ambastadi and Pepaliadigan Dravya given with Madhu. It is also given in Amatisar and Raktatisar. A quart of Indriyav given in Pitta Atisar. Keeping on the diet of Mansras. In Raktash, a was prepared with Kutaswak and Shunti is given. Mallatak and Kutas are the best remedies for dry and bleeding piles respectively. In Kust and other skin diseases, a paste is prepared with Lodr, Dhatki, Indriyav, Karanj and Jati and applied externally. Kutas quath is useful in all types of skin diseases. A quath prepared with Karveer, Ark and Kutas promotes wound healing. Matra dose churn 3 to 6 gram, quart 50 to 100 ml. औषधि योग formulations पुर्जा रिस्ट पुर्जा अवले पुर्जा चूर्ण पुर्जा दी घनविटी and Kiratwardivati. Modern pharmacology, Pulchi, a well-known remedy for the treatment of both acute and chronic dysentery. It acts by virtue of alkaloid purchasing, which has a specific direct lethal action on Entamoeba histolytica. It may be given by mouth in the form of liquid extract or purchine bismuth iodide. Conicin hydrobromide orally in dose of 5 grams. It used in the treatment of amoebic dysentery, especially resistance to imitin. It is effective in hepatic amoebiasis. Substitute and adulterations. The stem bark of Vicia tomentosa and Vicia tinctoria of the same family are often substituted for the janine drug. The bark of the former is yellowish grey to greyish brown in color with transverse cracks and fine longitudinal fissures. The fracture is tough and fibrous and the taste is not bitter. The bark of Riccia tinctoria is channeled or quilled with grayish-brown outer surface covered with whitish lenticels and a pale yellow-brown inner surface. The fracture in this case is brittle and the taste bland. Chemical constituents, conicin and related alkaloids. Bhavaprakash Nigantu says that Putaj, Poto, Vatsako, Girimallikaha, Kaling, Shakka, Shaki, Cha, Mallika, Pushp, Iti, Api, Indro, Yaupla, Prokto, Vrakshaka, Pandu, Drume, Putajay, Putko, Vruksho, Deepna, Suvaro, Hime, Arsho, Atisa, Titta, Krishna, Am, Kustunu. That's all about Putaj. Now, next topic is Sarpagandha. Now we discuss about Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha, botanical name Rauwolfia serpentina, and the family is Apocynaceae, Kutajkul, Gan Shushruत mentioned in Aparajita. Hindi name uh, Nakulkand. नाकुली भी अपन इसको बोलते हैं. दिस प्लांट प्रेफर टू ग्रो इन माउंटेन और हिली एरिया, सो इट इज कॉल्ड नाकुली. नाकुल क्रिया. सुरसा स्वरसा, द प्लांट हैज एक्सुडेशन और लेटेक्स. नाग सुगंधा या गंधा नाकुली, द प्लांट ग्रोज इन हिली एरियाज हैविंग ए पेक्यूलियर स्मेल. नाग सुगंधा. सर्पांगी या सर्प कंकलिका, द रूट्स लुक लाइक सरसप. Bhujangaxi, Sarpakshi, fruits when ripe looks like the eye of snake. Vishnashni, Vishagni, Vishamdrangsta, Ahirbuk. It has Vishagn properties and antitoxic. Sumahakanda. The roots have agreeable smell. Rakt Pushpika. The flowers are red in color. Sarpagandha, Sarp Sugandha. The roots have a typical smell like that of सर्प and this smell drives away the सर्प. Sugandha Bhoti Gandhika. This is another plant taken as Nakuli. Nagandha, Vyalgandha or Ishwari. This is another plant taken as Nakuli and the antitoxic action. Mahaviri, a potent drug. Nakulesta, the plant commonly found on hilly regions. Double Vitap, the plant purifies the body, so it is called double Vitap. Main features: a plant growing in mountain and hilly regions. The roots looks like sarshap with a peculiar smell. The flowers are red in color. The fruit resemble the eye of snake, and the plant has exudation. It is a potent drug having Vishan property. Bhed varieties. Some Vedya says Ishwar Mool, Astrologia Indica, Sarvagandha. Raj Nigantu mentions Ishwari Mool as one of the synonym of Sarvagandha. Habitat Utpatti Sthan, sub-Himalayan tracts and in the hilly regions of other parts of India. Habit Swaroop, a small erect shrub rarely reaching 0.9 meter height, bark pale, rarely lenticellate, leaves in whorls of 3 thin, 7.5 to 18 by 2.5 to 6.3 centimeter, lanceolate, acute or acuminate, glabrous, bright green, above pale bannette, base tapering, main nerve 8 to 10 pair, slender, petioles 8 mm long, somewhat obscure owing to the blade running down into the petiole. Flower white, often tinged with violet in many flowered, irregular corymbose cymes. Pedicels 5 to 12.5 centimeter long. Pedicels stout 3 to 6 mm long. Bright red brackets. Banned the pedicels triangular cuticute 1 to 1.5 mm long. Calyx glabrous bright red segments 2 to 5 mm long. Lanceolate corolla 1 to 1.3 centimeter long or rarely a little longer. Tube slender, swollen or little above the middle. Lobe 3 mm long, elliptic oblong, rounded, obscurely lobed, drop single or didionous and connect more or less deeply about 6 mm diameter. Purplish black when ripe. The inflorescence of this plant with red pedicels and calyx with white corolla is thickening. उपयुक्त अंगपाठ used mood and of the properties रस पित्त कषाय and कटु विपाक कटु गुण वृक्ष प्रभाव निद्रा जनन वीर्य उष्ण दोष कमता कफवात रोगन कमता फार्माकोलॉजी रिएक्शंस पौष्टिक निद्रा जनन ज्वरग्न गर्भाशय उत्तेजक विषग्न वेदना स्थापन वात शामक दीपन पाचन पित्तसारक क्रमिघ्न लूता and वृश्चिकग्नि आंबिक प्रयोग therapeutic uses in Belarus it is given with Ishwari mool. In Udarshul it is given with Arendmol. In Raktatisar given with Kutaj. In Jeerna Juar it is given with Marich, Ajmoda, Dikamali, Kiratik and Bidlavan. During delivery it is given for uterine contraction, useful as Vishagna in Lutavish, Vrashchikvish and Sarpvish and Mushikavish. Useful in as सर्पगंधा मेंशन इन अपराजिता गण इट इज यूजफुल इन मानस रोग अगर मात्रा की बात करें तो चूर्ण इसका 3 से 5 ग्राम दे सकते हैं औषध योग फॉर्मुलेशंस सर्वगंधादि चूर्ण सर्वगंधा योग and सर्वगंधा वटी modern pharmacology reserpine obtained from certain species of Rauwolfia mainly Rauwolfia serpentina or by synthesis reserpine tablets given in divided doses of 5 to 1 to 5 milligram daily in the treatment of hypertension 0.5 milligram daily nowadays the drug is withdrawn due to some complications. The main site of action of Rauwolfia and reserpine is at subcortical and hypothalamic level, producing tranquility. The sedative and tranquilizing effects are due to intensifications of the inhibitory function of the cerebral cortex and depression of the some somatic nervous pathway at the subcortical level. The hypotensive effect is due to their hypothalamic action causing diminution of synthetic activity and permitting parasympathetic paradominance in large dose causes depression of respiratory and cardiac regulatory centers. Chemical constituents diester alkaloid reserpine and racemimine, azmeline, azmelinine, azmelicine, rolfine, serpentine, etc. Powdered Rolfia, Aboshish grey powder. Substitute and adulteration root or Rolfia tetraphylla cultivated various parts of India is employed as substitute when Rolfia serpentina roots are not available. Among the major adulterates in commercial sample are the thin roots of uh, Turban montana divercata. In the material obtained from Kerala and Western India, roots of Rauwolfia densiflora and Rauwolfia macrontha are sometimes found mixed. Then Bhavprakash Nigantu says about Sarvagandha, Napuli, Sursa, Nag Sugandha, Gandha Napuli, Nakul Chesta, Gojang Akshi, Sarpakshi, Vishnashini, Napuli, Tura, Tikta, Katuku, Ushna, Vinashe, Bogi, Luta, Vrashchika, Aku, Vish, Jwar, Krimi, Varnan. This is the classical reference from Bhavaprakash Nigantu. Today we discuss about Potas and Sarabganda. Both are very important topic in Ayurveda. You should learn about both of the topic about name, botanical name, family name, and synonyms and uh, morphology, habit, habitat, and properties, and pharmacological actions, therapeutic actions, and doses, formulations, and classic reference also. The both topics are very important so according to your syllabus, so you should learn about it. And today's digital session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And if I hope you all are satisfied with this section. If you have any query or any complication with this session, then please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.